It has been exactly 4 years, 9 months, and 9 days since I started posting on the internet. I have worked really hard in growing. This journey has taught me a lot. But lately, I have been looking at my channel and there is a well needed glow up. To be honest, it was long overdue. So I turned this into this. My channel is a place for you and me. So I'm showing you how I did it, what I changed, how I changed it, and why I kept some things. First thing is the banner. So in this time period, I have two different banners, my old one and then my current one. Using Canva to make my new one. I feel like Canva is the easiest to do this. For the dimensions, I used the YouTube banner template. I need a pattern, so I searched up gingham. This blue shade seemed so perfect for this. I scaled it so that it would fit the whole banner. To add an interesting element, I ended up choosing an ice cream. I'm a quote girly, so putting in a quote seemed right. Making sure that the banner is viewable on each device is a huge trial and error process. I ended up with 7 different designs. Though they might not look different, the little things definitely matter. Next up is the description. My description is currently very 2018y. Here are the new options. This one and this. I wanted a name for my space, so I ended up doing Starlit Corner. I also wanted to do North Star because it's a star that can help you orient yourself and find your way. I thought that sounded very cool, but I did end up just using the Starlit Corner. Next up is the PFP. I think this is the most important part. So I searched up different references on Pinterest. PFP is basically the first impression you give. And this was hard because this ended up with 2 different photo shoots and many different aesthetic of photos. For this reason, I made a demo. But this and this were not matching. So I edited the photos to change the tones. I liked it better now, but it definitely needed to be brightened. I don't know which vibe this is giving, but it's so familiar. Definitely let me know which aesthetic or vibe you think this profile picture looks like. For the next part, the real question is, why did I even want the rebrand? To be honest, it's really simple. In the almost 5 years I have been creating, I have been posting content that 13-year-old me would post. But here's the shocker. I'm not 13 anymore. Sometimes when things work well, we try to stick with it for as long as we can. And to be honest, that makes sense. But after a while, we don't realize it and it starts hurting our growth. Okay, I know it sounds cliche and very pep talky, but as humans, when we know we're good at something, we simultaneously stop experimenting. Which I'm a great example of. So come with me to a quick journey. This is School Suha, who had a lot of time, which she didn't realize then, but she did end up doing a lot of creative things. Then is Junior College Suha. This is the time where she picked up the School Suha's skills and refined them to a pretty good level. But halfway through her junior college phase, she hit a block wall. A block wall consists of different things. One, the confidence that you have gotten to a point that you like. 2, something like creative block or any other part of your life taking over so that you can't do stuff anymore. And I carried the confusion of the block wall right up until now. First year Suha. And as time has gone from these different phases, time has gotten tighter. The space in the mind has also gotten smaller. But I'm acknowledging this block wall and I'm trying to get rid of it. So that's why I'm going to be experimenting and that's why I'm doing this rebrand. Next up and the final part of this video is to address some of the comments that I have gotten. If I have not responded to your comment, it is either because I genuinely didn't understand your question or the comments notification just somehow went all the way to the back. So but looking at the most commonly asked questions, the first one I would answer is where I got this kit. It's available on literally Meesho, Flipkart, Amazon. First thing that comes up when you search purple kit. Secondly, for how I make my videos, I edit all of my videos on InShot and use my phone camera. Someone also asked about overheating because of filming. And to be honest, I usually try to just break it down. Once you get used to your phone, it completely works out. So this was my Starlit Corners glow up. I hope this video gave you some hope in finding your direction. And let's not all collectively forget that we're not supposed to be stuck in the same place. We are supposed to evolve. So let's keep making our efforts and see you guys next time.